Melanopsin is a light-sensitive retinal protein that helps entrain the circadian rhythm. Like other light-sensitive transmembrane proteins found in the retina, such as rhodopsin or photopsin, melanopsin changes its molecular configuration when activated by photons of light. Melanopsin, in particular, is highly sensitive to blue wavelengths of light, 480 nanometers. About 2% of retinal photoreceptors are melanopsin containing. A portion of the optic nerve axons project into the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or the SCN, via the retinohypothalamic tract. This tract sends electrical information from the melanopsin-containing photoreceptors. These signals into the SCN causes melatonin production by the pineal gland to be delayed. Melatonin is a sleep-promoting neurohormone that increases drowsiness. Delaying melatonin production keeps you from falling asleep quickly. Limiting blue light exposure before bedtime can help keep melatonin levels high at night, helping you get to sleep sooner.